Hi students, you can see that this is a voltage automatic stabilizer. क्या है?
वोल्टेज ऑटोमेटिक
स्टेबलाइजर का मतलब क्या होता है? वोल्टेज को स्टेबलाइज करना,
स्टेबल
कि अगर वोल्टेज ज़्यादा है या कम है तो ये ऑटोमेटिक है, ठीक है। और इससे जो इनपुट वोल्टेज है कितना है? Look at the input voltage. Input voltage is approximately 100 volt.
Yes, sir.
And output voltage is like approximately 200 or 150 volt. Between. It is fluctuating since our supply is not proper. Our main supply is not proper. That is why it is always fluctuating. So our supply is always fluctuating in nature. So that is why we need a stabilizer. And the meaning of a stabilizer is to stabilize the output voltage, whatever be the change in input voltage.
Yeah.
So whatever changes in input voltage does not matter to the output voltage. Output voltage must be smooth and regulated. So that is why we use to stabilizer. Now our next job is to know how to connect voltmeter, ammeter, resistance, since we are going to deal with the Ohm's law. Which chapter we are going to deal with?
Ohm's law.
And I know that in previous class you had no proper exposure to voltmeter, ammeter, and how to connect the different instruments. So that is why I am introducing you to the electrical instruments like voltmeter, ammeter, galvanometer, resistance. This is resistance box. We can have any resistance between, you can see, between 1 ohm to 100 ohm. So we can have the desired value. This is resistance box. And we want to 50 ohm. Suppose we want 50 ohm resistance between these two terminals. So what we have to do? We have to just open 50 marks. This is calibrated. So just open. Where is 50? This is now.
Yes.
Just plug out 50. It will develop 50 ohm. Okay. Next day, in next class, I will show you how it happens.
Yes.
Now, this is ammeter. What is this? Ammeter. This is a device which is used to measure the magnitude of electric current passing through the circuit. And it is always connected in series. In any device, it is connected in series. This is voltmeter. This is used to measure the potential difference across the circuit, or it is used to measure the voltage between 2 points. Okay, so here and here it measures the voltage. Voltage, you know, the work done per unit charge. And this is the whole device, Ohm's law apparatus. If it works properly, I think it is very old, and I hope that it would function very properly. I never tested it. First time I am exposing before you. Now our job is to measure how to measure the voltage. And this is battery charger. We can have the battery charger, or we can have any voltage. If you want 2 volt, 6 volt, 4 volt, 8 volt and 12 volt respectively, then we will plug in every hole. Okay? Now, this is connect voltmeter. First of all, bring the voltmeter. It is connected here and it is
connected here.
how much it shows? Abhishek, just record. How much?
Approximately 1.25.
25?
Yes.
Now, and I have plug in at 2 volt. Now we are going to change it. Now pay attention to the pointer of the voltmeter. How much it is?
1.5.
1.5.
More than 2.
1.6. More than 2.
More than 2?
Yes, sir.
This because it is 4.
4 volt.
Now next measure. How much?
Sir, बहुत ज़्यादा.
मतलब less than 3 volt
Yes.
and more than 2.5 volt. This is how much?
बहुत
3 volt.
12 पर सीधा जाने.
But input voltage is less now.
Yes, sir.
That is why. Okay. So no problem. We have here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now. Or now stop. Next.